Hello. Consider the railway bridge. Fully detailed, textured model. Detailed enough for close-up rendering. Comes with detailed normal maps, diffuse map, and specular map textures, 8192 x 8192 pixel resolution. World units used centimeters. Texture resolution if necessary can be reduced substantially without losing quality. Advantages. Easy to convert model in other formats. No need for any special plugin to open the model. Useful for games, high-resolution renders, magazines and production. Clear topology. No multi-sub-objects materials. Materials, textures, and objects are clearly named. Export formats works correctly. Model include game-ready texture. Very easy to work it. Hope you like it. 3D graphics. Link to the 3D model in the description.